Hi students, today's paper discussion. So the question is, the figure shows velocity v naught, acceleration a of a point like body or initial moment of its motion. The acceleration vector of body remains constant, the minimum radius of curvature in trajectory of the body. Okay. So now, we need to take component of velocity along the acceleration. Clear this one. Okay, now this is the velocity vector. This component we need to take along the acceleration. Clear? So then what happened? Component velocity parallel to acceleration vector become 0. Now that radius will be, so we know the acceleration equation A is equal to v square by r. A is equal to, here v is parallel component parallel to we will take, so v component along A, so that will be v naught cos 150. So this you will get A is equal to, or do you get 16 cos 150. This around you will get, this is 8. So 8 into 8 by what is the rate? They're asking R. So you make it R subject to. So this is R. R is equal to 64 by A. So 64 by A is 4. It is 16 meter. A small mirror of mass m is suspended by a light thread of L. The angle through which the thread will be deflected when the short pulse of laser of energy E fall normally on the mirror. Okay. This is the mirror energy fall. Then what happened? It moves a certain distance. So this angle is theta. Length is L. Of course, L. So now you already studied momentum impart by the radiation. That is P is equal to E by C. It is reflection. Reflection by 2E by C. Okay, now it is goes to what happened? Simple. It is set into simple harmonic motion. What they are asking, the angle through the smaller reflection. So they are asking theta. Clear? So this is the amplitude A. A, how do you write? A is equal to L theta. We have a relation. V is equal to A omega. V is equal to L theta into omega. Okay. Omega is what? L theta into under root of L by G. Okay. Right. So from this momentum, you write expression for velocity. Am I correct or not? Okay. How do you write? Momentum is mv is equal to 2e by c. V is equal to what? 2e by c. So this velocity, clear. So 2e by c is equal to L theta under root of L by G. They're asking theta. So this we can write 2e root G by LC root L. Clear? Am I correct or not? So this we can write. Where M gone? Here it is M is there. Here it is M. So right. Clear? And you can cancel one L cancel root G by L, not L by G. This is omega is equal to root G by L. G by L. So here we will get L. Here we will get G. 1L will be cancelled. Then theta is equal to 2E by 1. This L will be cancelled. Yeah, C root LG. Okay. So option 4 is correct. So two large conducting plates here, A, B, and C having charges plus Q minus 2, Q and plus Q as shown in figure. Gaps L1 and L2 are small. L1 is greater than L2. The plates A and C are fixed and B is free to move. Neglect the gravity. If the switch is closed, the plate will be start moving. So here gap is less, gap is more. So here capacitance, what happened? This capacitance is low because here small charge will accumulate, here more charge will accumulate, this attract towards right. Next, two centers of spheres 1, 2, and 3 lie on a single straight line. Sphere 1 is moving with the initial velocity v1 directed along the line and hits sphere 2. And sphere 2 acquiring after collision velocity v2 hits sphere 3. Both collisions are elastic. What must be the mass of sphere 2 for the sphere 3 to acquire maximum velocity? Okay. We need to find first V2. Okay, so before collision, momentum, mass M1 V1 is equal to after collision M2. After collision, it moves with what velocity? With a different velocity. Am I correct or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. It moves with let us say this V1 dash plus this is moving with M2 V2 after collision. So we know that coefficient of restitution E is equal to, so we require this V2. So we have a new velocity. This to avoid this, to eliminate this, we are follow coefficient of restitution. So that is V2 minus after collision relative velocity V1 dash by before collision relative velocity V1. So coefficient E is 1 for the elastic collision, V2, V1. Okay. So this you make it subject, right? This one. What we need to, this you make it subject, right? So V2 minus V1 is equal to V1 dash. V1 dash you substitute here. So what do you get? M1 V1 is equal to M2 what did I say? Right. V dash will be what? V1 dash will be V2 minus V1 plus M2, right? Right. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 minus M2 V1 plus M2 V2. So this is 2 M2 V2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2, right? So they are asking which one. So we need to find V2, right? So if you make it V2 subject to, here it is V. M2 V2, here M1 V1, here M2 V1, right? This is goes this side. So 2M2 V2 is equal to M1 plus M2 is equal to V2. So M1 V1 is correct. We are substituting V2 minus V1 here. So M2 V2 clear minus M2 V1 plus, okay, this is correct. This comes to this side. So what is common? V1 common, right? Then this is V1 common. Am I correct or not? We require V2, right? Yes. So sorry. We are doing this is wrong. That's why we are not getting. So this is 1. So here this is 1. So this is 1. Okay. So here also you will get 1. Now here you will get, from this we will make it fresh. Now this comes to this side, 2M1 V1, 2M1 V1 is equal to M1 V2 plus M2 V2. Now here V2 is common, M1 plus M2, 2M1 V1. So V2 is equal to 2M1 by 2M1 V1 by M1 plus M2. We got V2. Then this is going and collide with this. Again, we need to find that velocity, right? Clear. So V3, similarly, you will get V3 is equal to 2M2 V2 by M1 plus M2. This V2 substitute here. Then V3 is equal to 2M1 M2. So 2 into 2, 4. V1 by, what do you get? M1 plus M2 into, here it is what? M. We'll get here 3. So you will get M1 plus M2 so it is 2 and 3 M2 plus M3. So what they are asking, maximum velocity. So what do you do? Differentiate second sphere, right? With respect to second sphere, you do differentiate V3 by dm2 equal to 0. You will get a relation. Which relation do you get if you do that? M2 is equal to under root of M1, M3. Next, two long wires, 1, 2, 3 resistances are in the ratio 3:4:5 are connected into parallel to each other shown in the diagram. If the net force on the middle wire is 0, then d1 by d2. So this wire experience force in this direction, and up. So net force is 0. Force experienced by the current carrying conductor F is equal to PIL sin theta. Of course, here all are perpendicular field and current elements. So F is equal to PIL. So now due to first wire force I am writing on this. How do you write? Mu naught I1 I2 by 4 pi D1 into, you take it L, same. Then this is first, second downward force F is equal to mu naught I2 I3 by 4 pi D2. These two are balanced. So then equate in the equation what you get, mu naught I1 I2 by, so mu naught I1 I2 by 4 pi D1 is equal to mu naught I1 I2 I3 by 4 pi D2. 4 pi mu naught what is common here? I2 will be cancelled, so you have I1 by D1 is equal to I2 by D2. What they are asking, net force 0, then D1 by D2 they are asking, make it D1 by D2 subject. So D1 by D2 is equal to D1 by D2 reciprocal, I1 by I2. Am I correct? I1 by I2. Now we need to, how this share the current. Clear? So let us say a common factor, let us say x, this is 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay. So current flowing through this required. So potential is same. So V is equal to I1 into 3x. I1 is equal to V by 3x. Am I correct? So this will be reciprocal line. So you will get this is 5x by 3x. X cancel, you will get 5 by 3. 5 by 3 or 5 is to 3. Okay, now this is block M. Mass 2 kg is placed on a plank of mass M is equal to 10 kg, which is placed on the smooth horizontal plane. The coefficient of friction between the block and the plank is mu is 1 by 3. If the horizontal force F is applied on the plank, then the maximum value of F for with block and the plank move together. Okay, so it is, you will get. So we need to find the acceleration, and then so who will bring this mass to forward direction. So as it is move up, so in the tendency of block is going up, going back, then the friction acts in this direction. This is frictional force. This friction, because of this friction, both will move together. Clear? So the acceleration of this system is F is equal to m plus m. Okay. So no slipping for the no slipping between the condition. F should be less than or equal to m plus m by, I mean this one actually mu into n. So F is less than or equal to mu m plus m into g. Clear? So what is mu? 1 by 3. So F m plus m by 3 into g. So this should be less than 40 Newton. Okay. For no toppling. No toppling means, suppose, so this is the center of the block. Due to friction, what happens? This is trying to turn in this direction. Then this normal reaction shift towards, clear, due to this perpendicular distance, this normal reaction turn in this, balances this. Understand? Okay. So then it is not toppling. If anyone is, it is on the it is rest on the plank means torque on this about this is 0. Okay. So understand, for the toppling, for no toppling, what minimum force should be? F is less than or equal to m plus m by 4 into Okay, this if we substitute, you will get less than 30 newtons. A satellite in a circular motion, right? A satellite in a circular orbit are very close to the surface of the planet with a speed v naught. At some point, it is given an impulse along its direction of motion, causing its velocity to increase eta times. That is, its speed become n v naught. Now, the satellite goes into elliptical orbit. The maximum possible value of eta for satellite to move in the elliptical orbit. What is that? V naught, they are saying speed, very close orbital velocity. So to move from, to escape from this, we have a velocity what? Root 2. What is the relation? V is equal to root 2 V naught. So they are mentioning n eta V naught. Eta is root 2. So monoatomic gas as a sample is given Q. One of the heat is used as a work done by the gas and the rest is used to increasing the internal energy. Equation of process in terms of volume, temperature. Okay. Clear. So now, according to thermodynamic first law, what is that? dq is equal to du plus dw. Am I correct? So gas Q, half of the heat used to work done by the gas, rest is used to increasing energy. So obviously what happened, dq is equal to, see, this is taking off, this is taking off, right? So you can write one of the heat is used to work done and the remaining rest used to the increasing internal energy. Clear. Internal energy of the internal energy of the internal energy of the gas. How do you write for a gas? This is for a gas. How do you write at a constant volume? So dq is equal to du is equal to cv into dt. So then this will be n cv dt. Clear? Understand? So this we can write p dv. Work done is what? Work done is what? dw is equal to p dv. Okay, half of the portion work done, remaining is in internal energy to increase that. So what do you write? PV is equal to nRT. PdV is equal to nRdt. Yes or no? Am I correct or not? So PdV is there. Clear? So P you can write from this equation nRT by V into dV. This is NV dt. So NR by V dV is equal to NCV dt by T. Clear? What is CV value? What is CV value for a which gas? Monoatomic gas. This CV value is equal to 3R by 2. So this NO cancel. C by V dV is equal to 3R by 2 dt by T. These are also cancel. R by dV. Okay. Then what do you get? dV by V is equal to 3 by 2 dt by T. So integrate, what do you get? Log V into 3 by 2 log T. Substitute this. Okay, what do you get? Are you this V T power 3 by 2 is equal to constant we will get, right? Okay. Then if you, so this you will get by solving what you get, you will get V T by 2 power 3 is equal to constant. So T V is equal to, this is not 3 by 2 squaring T power 3 by 2 squaring on that V square is equal to T cube. So V square by T cube is equal to constant. Three separate segments of equal areas A1 and A2, A1, A2 and A3 are shown in the energy distribution curve of a black body radiation. If N1, N2 and N3 are the number of photons emitted per unit time corresponding to each area segment respectively, then which is correct? This is correct. Clear? So equal area means equal power output. That's why. Now next. The activity of radioactive sample decreases to 1/10 of the original activity A naught in the period of 1 year. So A naught given, so A is equal to A is equal to A naught e power minus lambda t. So this is A naught by 10 is equal to A naught e power minus lambda, because t is given 1 year. After 9 years means total time is 10 years. Then A is equal to what you write? A naught e power minus lambda into 10. So from this expression, e power minus lambda is equal to 1 by 10. So this A is equal to A naught e power minus lambda into 10. So this you can write this one. So A naught e power we are writing, right? 1 by 10. So what do you get? You will get this is 10 power 10 minus. So A is equal. So A is equal to A naught by 10 power 10. So option 3 is correct. Next, a boat is moving. Boat is moving towards the east with 4 meters per second. You take here east to west to north to south. Boat is moving with respect to still water. So velocity of boat with respect to water is 4. And river flow towards the north. Velocity of river is equal to north means this one, north direction. Boat moving east. Okay, wind blowing towards the north 6 meters per second. The direction of flag blow over the wind posted. So velocity of wind with respect to boat required. So velocity in wind minus velocity of wind minus velocity of boat. So this is velocity of wind is nothing but, I mean, direction of the wind is nothing but direction of flag. It is the hosted flag. So how do you write velocity of boat with respect to water? So here this W don't take it water. Here it is wind. Here we will take it as a R with respect to river. So velocity of boat with respect to R is equal to VV minus VR, right? So to know this from this expression, this expression, VB we required, right? V wind required. So VWB plus VB. Clear? Understand? velocity of wind with respect to this only required. So right. Now substitute from this what we required. Wind already wind velocity given. We required VB, right? So from this VB, what do you write? VB is equal to velocity of boat is equal to velocity of boat with respect to river plus, okay, boat and river moving in which direction? East. So this we can write 4 I cap. River where it is go? River is going towards north. So it is 2 J cap. These two substitute in this expression. So velocity of wind with respect to boat is equal to wind velocity A number 4 I cap plus 2 J cap minus we calculated here. So we have wind already wind velocity is given. So velocity of wind with respect to boat in this expression. What is the velocity of wind? 6 I cap, 6 J cap. It is also moving north. Minus what we have 4 I cap minus 2 J cap. Then this is minus 4 I cap minus 4 J cap. Right? So equal in magnitude. I minus I which coordinate? So you will get this is plus dominating. So this is plus. So plus J minus I, which coordinate? This one. What is this? North, west. A particle undergo SHM in time period 2 seconds. In how much time will it travel from its mean position to displacement equal to of the amplitude? So what is the displacement equation? Y is equal to A sine omega t. So y displacement is given A by 2. A by 2 is equal to A sine omega is 2 pi by t into t. So 1 by 2 is equal to sine 2 by what is the time period? 2 seconds into t. Am I correct or not? Okay. Excuse me. Now, what do you get to pi t is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. Pi t is equal to sine inverse of 180 for which angle? Pi 6 pi cancel. So then 1 by 6 seconds. Triangle, a right angle, a triangular metal sheet of uniform thickness 10 centimeter and the uniform density 500 kg per meter cube. The length side AB, BC, and CA are 5 centimeter, 5 meter, 6 meter, 5 meter respectively. The moment of inertia about this BC, we need to find the moment of inertia about this. So you take small strip here, the small strip mass, you take it as a dm. So this total height, you take it as a, what do you take it, the total height? You take it total height as h, total height as h. Clear? Now, strip height from here, you take it as a y. Then what is the relation? This length, you take it as a b. Right? So base. This is b, this is b dash. What is the relation? Base by height, b by h is equal to b dash by y. Right? From this expression, b dash will get ph into y. Okay. For this mass element is dm. Clear? So dm, how do you write? dm mass small. So dm is equal to mass density, right? dm is equal to what is that? Mass density. Let us say you take it, this is p. Okay, p by h into y into dt into dy into thickness. Okay, area we need to write. Am I correct or not? So then moment of inertia, how do you write? Di is equal to Tm into distance square. This trip distance A, no, total distance h, this distance y. So h minus y whole square. If we integrate this from 0 to h, clear. So dm value substitute here. Dm value is p b y p b y. This is, it is looking like b. It is not. It is h into dy t into h minus y square. Clear, this is di. Then simplify, you will get this is b b t h cube by 2r, and substitute, you will get answer around this one. For given diagram, refractive indices are mu1 and mu2 respectively for upper and lower half are kept in air. Find the correct relation. So same object is the same, but they are focusing at different. Obviously, what would be the relation? That is, so mu1 greater than mu2. Velocity of sound hydrogen 273 is 200 meter per second. When some moment of oxygen is mixed, some amount of oxygen is mixed with the hydrogen, same temperature, velocity of sound is decreases 1500 meter per second. The density of oxygen is 16 times the density of hydrogen. The ratio of H2 and O2, the mixture is. So we have a relation V is equal to under root of gamma p by rho. First case, you know what they given oxygen. First case given oxygen or hydrogen. So this is first case. Second case under root of gamma p by rho mix. Okay, rho mix formula in rho out. What is that rho? Density is equal to mass by volume. Am I correct or not? Yes or no? So this rho mix, how do we write? Rho mix is equal to, we can write x of what they mentioned here. Oxygen density is 16 times. So density of the hydrogen plus 16 times into y by x plus y into rho h. Okay, here rho mixture. So you, this is V2 we mentioned. So they are asking V2, right? Or the ratio. So what do V1 by V2 you do? So gamma p cancel. What do you get under root of? Reciprocal is there. Rho mix by rho mix x plus 16y into rho h by x plus y rho h cancel. What is V1? 1200 by 500 is equal to x plus 16y by x plus y. 2 zeros are squaring on what? 144 by 25 is equal to x plus 16y by x plus y. Rearrange this equation. So you will get around 2.2. A block mass 1 kg slide down on the circular track is 1/4 of circle of radius 1 meter. Its speed at the bottom is 2 meter. The work done by the friction. Follow work energy theorem. Okay. What they are asking, work done by the friction. Work done by the friction is equal to, so initial energy, final energy minus initial energy. So initial energy, final energy is what it is in kinetic energy of mv square minus mgh. So this is half into mass already mentioned as 1 kg. Velocity is given as 2 square 4, 1 kg. Clear. mgh 10. What is the height? Height is radius is 1 meter, so 1. So this is 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10 minus 8j. So they are asking output. This output in R Boolean expression enamma. Y is equal to A plus B. So this Y1 is equal to A plus B. This is again going to R. So Y2 is equal to A plus B plus C. This is going to this side. So again A plus B plus C plus D. Which of the following diagram represent the LCR circuit in resonance? Resonance, what do you have? VL is equal to VC. So this is the correct option. If not resonance, it's all depend on values. Okay. So, but again, they mentioned resonance which VL is equal to VC. The correct graph is third option. Next, in the standard double slit experiment setup of fringe width is found. Fringe width is found to be beta, the minimum distance of the point on the screen for the 0th maxima, where the intensity 3/4 of the maxima. So for a equal magnitude, we have a intensity formula I naught cos square 5/2. Am I correct? So they are giving 3/4. 3/4 I naught of 3/4. 3/4 of I naught is equal to cos square 5/2. So I naught cancel. Cos 5/2 is equal to root 3/2. So phi 2 is equal to cos inverse of root 3/2. So 5/2 is equal to pi/6. So phi is equal to pi/3. We have a phase, then path difference is equal to lambda by 2 pi into phase difference. So lambda by 6. So what they are asking for distance of the clear distance, how do you write in terms of beta? So beta is equal to lambda d by d. Am I correct or not? Lambda d by d. We have a lambda by 6. Then what would be beta is equal to 6 into r beta by 6. Air bubble inside the liquid surface tension is T. Surface tension T is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 Newton per meter. Radius grew from the radius 1 into 10 power minus 5 meter to 1 into 10 power minus 4 meter. The average rate of change of pressure inside the bubble. They are asking dP by dt. dt already given. So we need to find pressure change. Okay. Pressure change formula, excess pressure is we have a bubble 2T by R. So delta P is equal to 2T is common 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. This is given R1 and R2. Clear this if you do it 2 into 1.0 into 10 power minus 3, 1 by 10 power minus 5, this is not required. Minus 1 by 10 power minus, this is final, this is initial. If you do it, you will get this is as 180. So this is change in pressure. So 180 is change in pressure. What is the time? 6 into 10 power minus 6. Then you simplify, you will get the answer. It's around this one. Now in the circuit shown, the potential drop across the capacitor C1, C2 respectively is. So this is which bias? Forward bias. This is reverse bias. This will not work, and diode will not offer any resistance. So potential drop across V1. What do you write? V1 is equal to C2 V by C1 plus C2. V2 is equal to C1 V by C1 plus C2. They are asking ratio V1 by V2. These two will be cancelled. VV cancelled. 8 by 4. 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 or 2 by 1? 2 by 1. Clear. So answer is 2. In the figure, field lines of the three charges shown Q1 plus 8 microcoulomb, Q2 minus 12 microcoulomb. What is the magnitude of Q3? See here, Q1. So each line you take it 2, 2, 2, 2. Total is to 8 balanced. Now this will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 6, 12. So how many are coming to this 2? So plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Total 6 micro coulomb. So field lines give the magnetic that is the strength. What do you say? The proportional charge is proportional to line. Length of the rod measured with a scale of found to be 3.0 meter, having the two significant figure. When it is expressed in centimeter, the number of significant figures will be same. If we change the unit also, significant figures we don't change. Already you studied in first. So in a zero gravity environment, a thin uniform rod of length is initially at rest with respect to the initial frame of reference. The rod is tapped one end perpendicular to its length. The center of mass is translate with the round complete one revolution about its center. So they are asking n value. So take the rod. This is center of mass. This is L by 2 and L by 2. This is fixed. If impulse impart, then start its rotating, right? If the impulse impart, what do you do? Clear? So angular impulse. What do you write? Impulse J into L by 2 is equal to I omega. So I is what? M L square by 12 into omega. Clear? Understand? Yes or no? Next, impulse. What do you get? J. J is equal to change in momentum. M into VC, center of mass. Okay. So if you divide these two, what do you get? So now substitute this j value there, j value here, then what do you get? So MVC L by 2 is equal to ML square by 12 into omega. M cancel, 1 L cancel, 6 times cancel. Omega is equal to 6 VC by L. Clear? Understand? Now it is completing one rotation. One rotation means omega is equal to 2 pi. Clear? Angular displacement, right? So one complete rotation means angular displacement is 2 pi. Theta, how do you write? Omega t is equal to 2 pi. What is omega? Omega is, what is that? 6 Vc by L into t is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So we need to make it this one. So this is goes this side. 2 pi L, capital L or small l, both are same. If you want to take it, this is capital L, no problem. 2 pi L by T, you make it Vc, make it here. Velocity into time, what this is goes this side, 6. Velocity, this is the center of mass, velocity into time is the distance traveled by the center of mass. The center of mass translate, right? So velocity of center of mass into time is distance traveled by the center of mass. 2 pi L by here 2 pi 1 cancel 3 times. So this will be pi L by 3. So n value is equal to 3. Clear? Next, the figure shown network capacitor and resistor are potentially indicated at A, B, and C are with respect to the ground. Okay, find the charge on the capacitor. So first we need to find what they are asking, charge on the capacitor. So charge on the capacitor, how do you find? Q is equal to C into delta V. Already here we have a 10 potential. We need to find potential. So these are all connected in which combination? They are all connected in parallel combination. Clear? They are all connected in parallel combination. So with respect to ground, they mention what does it mean? So here this is positive and a negative grounded. Here it is positive, it is grounded. Here it is positive, grounded. So this, how do you write? Effective EMF E is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus E3 by R3 by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So substitute. What is that? 4 by 4 plus 2 6 by 2 plus 8 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. You do it, what you get here? 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here you will get 6 volts. Here it is 6 volts. Q is equal to C, 1 into 10 power minus 6. Difference in potential, 10 minus 6. 1 into 10 power minus 6 into 4. So 4 into 10 power minus 6. So the answer is 4. Consider the cyclic process ACBA consisting B2A isochoric, AC isothermal, VT is equal to constant working substance is 2 moles of monoatomic ideal gas. If net heat exchange in the process XR T2 minus T1 plus Y R T2 ln V2 by V1, where X and Y are integers, find the x plus y. So first case, in this case, which process amma? Potential constant, potential work done 0. Now in this process, this is temperature constant isothermal process. Isothermal process work done is equal to what? N T ln V2 by V1. Okay. Am I correct? But it's general expression, the final by initial. But according to this nRT ln, which temperature? Temperature T1 or T2? Temperature T2. Clear? ln V1 by V2. Number of moles is 2. Clear? So this will be equal to minus 2R T1. Okay. ln V2 by V1. So because they given here V2 by V1. Next we need to find this BC process. BC process work done is equal to P dV. Okay. So P is what? P is equal to nRT by V. So V1 to V2 nRT by V into dV. But in this process, what is constant? Vt constant. So V1, V2, nRT by V is equal to, from this expression, Vt is equal to some K. V is equal to K by T. Then dV is equal to minus K by T square into dt. So substitute here K by T into what is dV? Minus K T square dt. Okay, K cancel. So V1 to V2 nRT square by T square dt minus. So this temperature came, we convert into this, then this will become, what do you get? You will get T2 T2 to T1. So here again you will get 2R T2 minus T1. So these two substitute here. First one, this 2R T2 minus T1 minus, right, 2R T2 we will get here okay T2 ln V2 by V1. So this is X, this is Y. So one is plus and minus, so 0. Now two bodies of mass 4 kg, 6 kg attached to the end of the string passes over a pulley. The 4 kg mass is attached to the table top by another string. The tension in the string T1. Okay, this one. This tension act up. Already they mentioned T. Okay, this tension act up. This weight acts down. And this tension act down. Here the balance is T is equal to T1 plus mg. From this diagram, T is equal to mg. mg means 6. T is equal to 6g from this one. And this mg is what? 4g. So 6g is equal to T1 plus 4g. T1 is equal to 6g minus 4g. This is 2g. He asking us to take 10 into so 20. Clear? how many 500 kHz waves can be on a 10-kilometer transmission line simultaneously? Clear. So transmission line TT is equal to distance by wavelength. What is that? Distance by wavelength. So that is distance is given as 100 10 kilometers, 10 power 3 wavelength. So transmission line. So 10 into 10 power 3 by lambda. Lambda is equal to C is equal to nu lambda. Lambda is equal to C by nu. So this will be 10 into 10 power minus 3 into nu by C. 10 into 10 power minus 3. What is the frequency? 500 into 10 power 3 by. Am I correct or not? Is not coming. Lambda is equal to C by M. Okay. $500 kilohertz, right? 500 into 10 power 3, right? So here C value, 3 into 10 power 8. Or you can calculate here directly. C 3 into 10 power 8 by frequency 500 into 10 power 3. Okay. So you will get lambda. That lambda substitute here. D we are taking here it is plus or substitute. So 5000 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 8 by 3. Simplify, you will get the answer. It is around, the answer is 16.67. Successive resonance frequencies, so 425, 595, 765 per certain arc pipe. The speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Find the length of the pipe. So 425 is to 595 is to 765. See that ratio how it would be. It would be in what? 5 is to 7 is to 9 odd ratios. So for odd ratios, what is the frequency formula? Frequency is equal to NV by 4L. Clear. So 425 is equal to first 51. V is given as 340 by 4 into L. Arrange this. Okay. What do you get? The answer, you will get L is equal to 1. In the circuit shown figure, the current measured by the ammeter. So first we need ammeter is total current in this. So whatever the current passing through the resistor, same will passes through this. So we need to find potential drop across VR. So total potential is equal to VR square plus VL minus VC square. So V is equal to under root of VR square plus, of course, here applied potential 50. VR square, VL is 60, VCA no 100 square. So 50 is equal to under root of VR square. This is 40 minus 40 square. So 50 square is equal to VR square plus 40 square. Of course, minus 40. So then VR square is equal to 2500 minus 1600. Then VR square is equal to 900. VR is equal to 30. So potential drop across VR is equal to I into R. I is equal to VR by R. 30 by 10. 3 ampere. Clear. So answer is 3. So with this paper is over.